Okay, let me introduce something that is stronger. Um, how to save a file and read file. Firstly, let's save the plot. Let me save the plot. To increase a new section, use two percentage mark, and you can use 1% mark. Just do some notation. Just mark what you're doing here. I will save the figure to JPG file. So what is it? Just one line command save as. You need to guess figure function, and you need a file name for that. Plot sine cosine .jpg. Okay, and just run this section. Oh, okay. So you can get that JPG file plot like this. Very good. You can use it to your other homework, assignment, or plug them into your thesis or report. Okay. So more better function we can do here is save them to real file. Just showed in the web class. We showed how to do this here. Let's do this. Try this a little bit. Firstly, I will start a new script. Firstly, I will say save them to text file. Save the data to a text file. Okay. So firstly, I need to open a file to read, and I will get the file ID. This file ID will equals to open. Here I do the two things in the same time. Open a file to write and get the file ID. Okay, we are doing two of the things by just use open function one line here. Okay, say sine wave .txt, which is we give some definition of W means I'm going to writing this file. Okay, I will make some script here. W means write only. Okay. We cannot read the file. Okay, so we can have the file to read. Secondly, I just used fprint file function and print all the things I have here. I have the FID. Firstly, I need the FID, and I will write my data in the format of float with 6 digits, and after the point there will be 2 digits after, so that's means 6.2. Okay, after you see the file, you know what I'm talking about. And then change line, I will use M mark here or backslash if you have. So I defined percentage 6.2f. So I will give some value 2 here, which will be the value of y here. And don't forget to close this. Close file. Okay, close file. With FAD. So I run this section. And this works or not. Oh, you can get here. Let's open the outside of this one. Oh, there's a little bit wrong here. Oh, they're not working very well. So what is the problem? Let me try again. Still. Maybe save this problem later. But this is how we can write things into the file like this. And next, after open this, we'll get FID. Let's see how to get this. We just use printf function. Firstly, we need to give them an FID. Secondly, we will plot the things that I just give a string here. However, the string will be the number that we get in a format of float. We can define the format by percentage, some number of digits before the point and after the point, and the type of the number will be float. And after that, I will change the line. How to change the line? I will use backslash here. You have a slash and backslash in your keyboard. If you don't, you can, for example, for Mac computer, you can use Option and mark. Okay, and finally, you need to close. Close the file ID, and then I defined float here, but I didn't give any value, so I give the value of x, so the value of sign. Then I can run the program. So they will give a sign of let's open outside like that. Okay, from 0 to pi to 2 pi. Okay. Okay, so you can write the things to the file by doing this. So, but I also need to plot a y into the file too. And so I need to, every line, I will have x, and I give a comma, a space, and give a y, and a comma, space, y2. Here I will say y, and y2. Okay, so firstly, let me clear everything. Okay. Without the plot file, also delete them. And x and y and 2 plot. And where's my plot? Oh, it covered back here. So maybe I want to see the plot every time here. Let me plot them in, and I don't want to look at them here, so I just put it here. Okay. So give more space to the file. Okay. So you can see that I plotted them here, and this time I forgot about save the figure. Let's just do this. So sine wave shown up. Okay, here is 0. However, y1 should be 0, also 0, but it's not. y2 is not, because we're plotting like this. And the value of first value of x, second value of f, and third value of x, put it like this. So how to solve this problem? We can show in data which equals to doing like this, x, y, y2. So what is this data doing is like this. So I just showing them to data. Okay, so okay, still they're doing like this. So let me see. Oh, they connected data together. So let's change like this. So let me do it again. And also you can see this time this is all x, start from 0, start from 1, right? This is y, this is y2. So I can plot all the figures looking like this.